The world's first flying humanoid robot. Italy, the Ironcub 3 robot, equipped with jet engines and a titanium spine, combines artificial intelligence and aerodynamics to take flight. Ironcub 3 was tested at the Italian Institute of Technology, IIT. Video, IIT. Developed by the Italian Institute of Technology, IIT, Ironcub 3 is the world's first humanoid robot to use jet propulsion. While it can currently only hover about 50 centimeters off the ground and maintain balance, it is expected to improve gradually over time. It was designed to operate in real-world environments, leveraging its airborne mobility and human-like structure. This milestone marks a leap forward in multimodal robotics, blending ground movement with controlled flight, opening doors to future rescue and exploration missions in complex or hazardous environments. The research findings were published on June 18 in Nature Communications Engineering. Ironcub 3 is a customized version of the third-generation iCub robot and is operated remotely. It is equipped with 4 jet engines, 2 on its arms and 2 mounted in a backpack, allowing it to hover and stay balanced, even under wind or physical disturbances. The robot weighs 70 kilograms and can generate over 1,000 newtons of thrust. The turbines expel exhaust gases at temperatures reaching 800 degrees Celsius, which required the use of a titanium spine and heat-resistant coatings for protection. The robot was developed over 2 years. According to Daniele Pucci, head of the Artificial and Mechanical Intelligence (AMI) lab at IIT, this machine is fundamentally different from traditional humanoid robots. Achieving stability during flight was the primary challenge. Unlike drones, which are compact and symmetrical, Ironcub 3 has movable limbs and an elongated body, which alters its aerodynamics and creates a dynamic center of gravity. To address this, the team developed a flight control model and a real-time aerodynamic estimator. The IIT team collaborated with Politecnico di Milano for wind tunnel testing and with Stanford University for machine learning applications. According to lead author Antonello Paolino, the model includes neural networks trained on both simulated and real-world data, integrated into the robot's control system to ensure stable flight. The AI system enables Ironcub 3 to respond to turbulent airflow and shifting limb positions during flight. It can also manage rapid transitions such as sequential engine ignition or structural movements during takeoff. The team used a co-design approach to build Ironcub 3, optimizing both the robot's shape and engine placement. The goal was to ensure maximum flight control while withstanding extreme thermal and aerodynamic conditions. They carried out numerous simulations and tests to refine the robot's systems. Key improvements included thrust sensors, thermal management systems, and automated takeoff and landing planning. Initial flight tests were conducted in IIT's indoor lab, where the robot successfully hovered. Future tests will move to a designated flight area at Genoa Airport, arranged in cooperation with the airport's management authority, Aeroporto di Genova. Flying humanoid robots like Ironcub 3 could be used in disaster zones, toxic environments, or missions that require both flight and manipulation capabilities. Source: Interesting Engineering. Explore smart aerial technology with the WLRC V196 Pro, a feature-packed drone at an unbeatable price. Product Overview. The WLRC V196 Pro is a mid-range drone that offers premium features such as dual HD cameras, a servo gimbal for stable footage, optical flow positioning, powerful brushless motors, and 360 degrees intelligent obstacle avoidance. It's an excellent choice for both beginners and semi-pro drone enthusiasts looking for value and performance. Dual HD cameras and servo gimbal, capture every angle clearly. Dual HD cameras, capture from multiple angles with front-facing and bottom cameras for dynamic footage. Anti-shake servo gimbal, delivers smooth, stabilized shots even in windy conditions or during complex maneuvers. Wi-Fi FPV transmission, real-time video streaming to your phone with a stable connection up to 200 meters. Smart Tech, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance and precise hovering. 360 degrees intelligent obstacle avoidance, automatically detects and avoids obstacles, ideal for indoor flying or tight spaces. Optical flow positioning, keeps the drone stable without relying on GPS, perfect for steady photo and video capture. Altitude hold, maintains height automatically, makes flying easier and more stable for beginners. Power and performance, strong and long-lasting. Brushless motors, quiet, powerful, and durable, for smoother flights and better control. Flight time, get 15 to 20 minutes of actual flight time with one battery. Consider buying extras for extended use. User-friendly flight experience. Easy-to-use remote controller with intuitive layout. Includes features like orbit mode, trajectory flight, and one-key return. Can be controlled via smartphone or remote, flexible for all users. Who is the WLRC V196 Pro for? Beginners looking to explore drones with smart features. Content creators, YouTubers, TikTokers, wanting unique aerial footage. Semi-pro drone pilots seeking a budget-friendly upgrade from mini drones. A full-featured drone at an affordable price. For under $100, you're getting a drone with dual HD cameras, a gimbal, obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and optical flow positioning. That's outstanding value. Product link in the video description. Order now to grab yours today. Key specifications: cameras, dual HD with servo gimbal, FPV, Wi-Fi FPV, up to 200 m, navigation, optical flow plus altitude hold, obstacle avoidance. Yes, 360 degrees intelligent system. Motors. Brushless. Flight time. 15 to 20 minutes. Control range. Around 200-300 m. Battery. One included, expandable. Pro tip: get extra batteries for longer flight sessions, especially useful for travel vlogging or outdoor content shoots. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.